Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Binken wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Binken wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Binken wireless HDMI extender kit. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is small in size and easy to carry, which solves the problems of traditional HDMI cables and wiring connection. Only 0.1 second low latency, almost real time. You can effortlessly stream any video and audio content to a larger screen. Best for watching movies, live sports, playing gaming, multimedia education, business meetings, and home entertainment. Plug and play. No need any app, no software or Wi-Fi connection required. You only need to connect our transmitter to the HDMI input device, then connect the receiver to the HDTV, projector, monitor, connect the power supply. You can enjoy your project on a big screen. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver support up to 1080 at 60 Hz video resolution, which making the picture clearer. You enjoy clear and vibrant images on a large screen. You can casting all apps you know, such as Prime Video, Sky Go, BT Sport, Netflix, DirecTV, Hulu, Comcast TV, Xfinity, Vudu, Movistar, TikTok, YouTube, HBO and more. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit uses 2.4/5 GHz transmission standard technology, so the transmission efficiency is faster and more stable. The transmission range is up to 98 feet, or 30 meter, allowing one transmitter to connect 4 receivers. At the same time, this product is also very suitable for remote monitoring. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit is compatible with most HDMI output devices such as laptops, PCs, Blu-ray players, HD digital video cameras, DVDs, DSLRs, set-top boxes, cable/satellite boxes, projector, PS4, PS5 and more. In an additional, this HDMI wireless comes with 2 HDMI adapters for cameras or camcorder and more. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. Make sure to press like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.